instruction of Krishna, the instruction of spiritual master, so they want to remain Muradrisha, rascal and fool. And still they want to see Krishna. This is the difficulty. Na lakshase Muradrisha. If you do not improve your eyes according to the direction of Shastra, Sadhu, Shastra, Guru, these three things, then how will you see Krishna? Krishna is saying, that is Shastra. Shastra means what is said by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is Shastra. And Guru says the same thing. And Sadhu says the same thing. Sadhu, Guru test means they do not change the words of Krishna. They do not say, now I have manufactured something. Krishna says that you can see me in the taste of water. I can say that you can see in this way. You see me and you will see Krishna. That's the Mayavadi says. You think of me. In the Aurobindo ashram, they have no other business. The disciples are advised that whatever you like you can do, you should always think of Aurobindo. Just like Krishna says, Manmana bhava mad bhakta madjari mang namaskuru. I inquired from the inmates of the Aurobindo ashram. So I mean, what you do? That we think of Aurobindo. Because Aurobindo thinks that he is Krishna. As Krishna says, Manmana bhava mad bhakta. So they advise that you think of me. So the inmates, they think and smoke bidi and cigarette, that's all. I've seen it. So these things are going on. Murodesha. If we want to remain Murodesha, then it will be difficult for us to see Krishna. We have dedicated our life to see Krishna, to talk with Krishna, to play with Krishna, to have Krishna as our son, to have Krishna as our friend, to have Krishna as our lover. If this is our ambition, then we should not remain Muradrisha. Foolishly. So we have to follow the Mahajana Jinagara as Kunti's advice. Kunti she knows how to see Krishna. She knows here is Krishna, although he is playing the part of my brother's son, nephew, but actually he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Just like Arjuna. Arjuna, he was talking like friend, but when he saw that it is impossible to solve this problem, I am inclined not to fight and kill my relatives, but the duty is to kill them. It is a very perplexed position. So therefore, he accepted Krishna as Guru. He said that I do not find anyone else who can solve this problem. Therefore, Krishna, I am surrendering unto you. Shishasteham sadhimang kripanna. Now we are not talking as friend. I accept you as Guru. When one accepts somebody as Guru, he cannot argue. That is the condition. Panipatena sampurna. Fully surrender. Otherwise there is no meaning of making a Guru. It is not like that. A pet dog that everyone makes Guru and let me have a Guru. But that is not the Guru means, first of all, the condition is pranipat, fully surrender. Not that if I like, then I shall carry your order, and if I don't like, then I shall not do it. That is not acceptance of Guru. Pranipat, first of all, we must agree. So, because friends and friends talking, a friend may agree with his friend, he may not agree. That is friendly talk. But Arjuna became Shishastiyam. I am now your Shishya, disciple. Now there is no question of disagreeing with him. Whatever he will say, I will accept. So at last, Krishna said, surrender unto me. And Arjuna did it. That is the whole purpose of Bhagavad Gita. He changed his decision. He changed. He did not want to fight. That was his decision. But when he accepted Krishna as Guru, and he said that you must fight, it is my desire. Even you don't fight, these people are not going back home. They will be killed here. That is my already plan. So these things are discussed in the Bhagavad Gita. So if we remain Murhadrisha, in spite of opening our eyes in so many ways, by Krishna, by Guru, by Shastra, still if we remain Murhadrisha, then how we can see Krishna? That is not possible. Therefore it is said, Na lakshasi Murhadrisha. If we keep our eyes still, mura, illusion, then we cannot see. How? Nato nato dharo jatha. Exactly. Krishna, just like one of my relatives, he is playing before me. But because I am Muradrisha, my eyesight or my intelligence is not correct, I am seeing that somebody else. I see that my relative, my brother or father or friend is dancing on the stage, but he is dressed in such a way that in spite of being present in my front, I cannot recognize. So if we remain Murhadrisha, then we cannot see Krishna. Otherwise, Krishna is everywhere. Akhilatma bhuta. In the Brahma Samhita it is said, Goloka eva nivasati akhilatma bhuta. Although he is living in Goloka Vrindavan, he is everywhere. Then how can I see Premanyana churita bhakti vilochanena santas sadaiva hridayeshu vilok. Those who have developed love for Krishna, they can see always 24 hours Krishna, nothing but Krishna. This is the process. So, we have to increase our attachment, our love for Krishna. Maya sakta mana pratha jugam junjana madasra. This is also explained. Everything is there. Maya sakta. We have to increase our attachment for Krishna, our love of Krishna. Then we shall see Krishna always. Premanjana Shrita Bhakti Vilochanena Santas Sadaiva Hridaya Jang Shyama Sundaram Achinta Gunasarupam Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajan. These are the practical experience of Mahajan, Brahma. The Brahma Samhita is written by Brahma. He is Mahajan. Mahajan means the person who knows Krishna. The Mahajans are described, 12 Mahajans. Narada Swambhu Shambhu. Narada is Mahajan, and Brahma is Mahajan, Swambhu, and Lord Shiva is Mahajan, Kapila, Kumara, Manu, Prahlada, Bhishma. The Mahajans are there. So, we have to follow Mahajana Jaina Gadasya Pantha. We should not remain Murhadrisha. We should follow the Mahajan and the Sadhu, Shastra, and they recommend the most important process is Savanam. Chinnatang Sakata Krishna, Punna Savana Kirtana. If we don't hear about Krishna, then how we will make advance? We have to hear. My Guru Maharaj was very kind upon me because I was very much interested to hear him. That you know. I hear him. I did not understand him, actually. In the beginning, I could not understand him. He was speaking in so high philosophical way. It was not, still, I wanted to hear. That was my only qualification. So, then, it is the process. During lecture time, if we don't care to hear, or we do other things, or take rest, that is not very good sign. We should be very much careful. Then we shall remain Murhadrisha, Nato nato dharo jatha. We have taken the vow to see Krishna, to understand Krishna. We should be very, very serious and do the needful. Then our life will be successful. Thank you very much. Hare